Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your Dell laptop. So this is actually going to be a really easy tutorial. We just need to head over to the Start menu on your computer and go and search for the word snipping and then click on the snipping tool. Now from the top navigation, make sure you have video selected and then you can select new in the top left hand side. And now just go and select the portion of the screen that you want to go and record. You can either select a small portion like this, or we can go and select the entire screen to capture the full screen. If you want to also record your microphone, click on the drop down arrow next to microphone and select your microphone from this list and just make sure it's unmuted like so. You can also decide whether you want to capture your desktop audio. So this is basically any sounds playing on your computer. Once you're ready to record, click on the start button and just like that, it's going to begin recording your screen. Now to finish the recording, we can just click on this stop button at the top and that's going to take us over to this finish recording. So I can go and play that back here. And as you can see, my mouse cursor moving. If you want to go and make any edits to this video, you can do so in Edit in Clipchamp in the top right hand side. And this is a free application provided by Microsoft and it lets you make some pretty cool edits to your video. To go and save this recording, click on the save button and it's going to save this video file as an MP4. Select where you want to save it. I'm going to save it over on my desktop and click on save. Now, some other things you can do is you can also press the Windows Shift and the letter R on your keyboard. And that's basically a shortcut to come over to this recording software. Finally, we can click on Open Snipping Tool Settings. And from here, if you scroll down to Screen Recording, you're going to have a few different options that you can come and customize. So for example, include microphone input by default when a screen recording starts. You can toggle this to either on or off. And the same with your system desktop audio as well. You could decide whether to enable or disable this feature. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.